Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Entrance. Options: A. Elevative, B. Moderate, C. Infuriate, D. Placate. Answer is infuriate. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. Most people are familiar of the spraying or of houses with poison substance which are kill disease carrying insects. Options: A. Most people are familiar of the spraying. B. Of houses with poison substance which C. Kill disease carrying insects. D. No improvement. Answer is A. Most people are familiar of the spraying. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Constraint. Options: A. Hazard, B. Control, C. Burden, D. Concern. Answer is B. Control. Select the correctly spelled word. Options: A. Continue, B. Continue, C. Continuum, D. Continuum. Answer A. Continuum. Select the most appropriate antonym for the given word. Answer. Options: A. Disagree, B. Disappear, C. Disarrange, D. Discourage. Improve the underlined part of the given word. Anger is a natural. I arrived your response of threats. Options: A. To threats, B. For threats, C. With threats, D. No improvement required. Answer is to threats. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Broken reed. Options: A. Overbearing, B. A weak, unreliable person, C. An unpleasant situation, D. To suffer broken spine. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Answer is B. A weak, unreliable person. Select the most appropriate antonym for the highlighted word. His behavior at the party was seen as lechery by many of the attendees. Options: A. Chastity, B. Lust, C. Wantons, D. Debauchery. Answer is A. Chastity. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Options: A. Abstain, B. Comprehension, D. Dictionary, D. Adolescent. Answer is D. Adolescent. Select the correct active voice form of the given sentence. Radha is watching a movie in the cinema hall. Options: A. A novel is being watched by Radha in the cinema hall. B. A novel is being watched by Radha in the cinema hall. C. A movie has been watched by Radha in the cinema hall. D. A movie is watched by the Radha in the cinema hall. Answer is A. A novel is being watched by Radha in the cinema hall. Select the most appropriate antonym for the given word. Quiet. Options: A. Strong, B. Pandemonium, C. Incomplete, D. Violent. Answer is B. Pandemonium. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Foliage. Options: A. Foolishness, B. Urgency, C. Firmness, D. Greenery. Answer is D. Greenery. Select the correctly spelled word. Options: A. Entity, B. Graduous, C. Discern, D. Contestant. Answer is C. Discern. Select the most appropriate antonym for the highlighted word. The sudden squall caught the sailors off guard during their voyage. Options: A. Calm, B. Storm, C. Breeze, D. Gale. The underlined word is squall. Answer is A. Calm. One word substitution for the given group of words, a sudden desire or change of mind. Options: A. Slancher, B. Hysterical, D. Megrim, C. Vicinage. Answer is Megrim. Find the error for the given sentence. The government summit for developing nations called Voice of the Global South Summit as its first big leadership level G20 event is a extremely important signal. Options: A. Government's Summit for Developing Nations, B. Called the Voice of the Global South Summit, C. Leadership level G20 event is extremely important signal, D. No error. Answer is C. Leadership level G20 event is extremely important signal. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. In for a penny, in for a pound. Options: A. Used to express someone's intention to see an undertaking through, however much time, effort, or money that entails. B. An opportunity in hand currently is better than a prospect in the future because time never repeats itself. C. A person is similar in behavior or actions to his parents. D. Treat people the same way you want to be treated. Answer is A. Used to express someone's intention to see an undertaking through, however much time, effort, or money that entails. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. There is really no such thing as the voiceless, they only dash silenced are the preferably unheard Arundhati Roy. Options: A. Unknowingly, B. Deliberately, C. Presently, D. Charmingly. Options: B. Deliberately. Cities are great havens for knowledge, culture, and social life. Vibrant cultures are found in cities because it takes a dash population. Select the most appropriate word in the fill in the blank one. Options: A. Dumb, B. Small, C. Lazy, D. Large. Answer is D. Large. Population to support museums, concert halls, sports teams, and nightlife districts. Cities also offer rich social opportunities. People in rural areas enjoy only limited social opportunities because dash the small local population. Select the most appropriate word in the fill in the blank two. Options: A for, B off, C with, D off. Answer is D off. City dwellers can choose their friends and mates from among a large number of people of dash interests and inclinations. Select the appropriate word in the fill in the blank 3. A. Filming, B. Similar, C. Wasteful, D. Declining. Answer is B. Similar. We are not likely to abandon the city as a dash institution. Select the most appropriate word in the fill in the blank 4. Options: A. Cultural, B. Educational, C. Psychological, D. Religious. Answer is A. Cultural. But we need to make sure our transport arrangements do not dash the city's other functions. Select the most appropriate word in the fill in the blank 5. Options: A. Support, B. Boost, C. Damage, D. Help. Answer is C. Damage. Thank you for watching. If you like video, please subscribe and support my channel and hit the bell icon to update more videos.